Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by getting basic items ready: a charged Android phone, a reliable USB cable, and the Innova Crysta parked with ignition in ACC or on. Once done, plug the cable into the car's front USB port and into your phone. You'll see the head unit detect a USB device. Make sure Android Auto appears. On your phone, accept any permissions and prompts that request access to contacts, location, and notifications. This enables navigation, voice commands, and messaging through the system. Now you authorize the connection. When the Innova screen shows Android Auto, tap to start and confirm on your phone. Make sure audio output is set to the car so navigation prompts and media route correctly. Choose Google Maps or Waze for navigation inside Android Auto. Set a home or work shortcut for quick access. Use the steering wheel voice button for hands-free commands or tap the microphone icon. This keeps you legal and focused. Adjust volume and climate controls from their own knobs, not the phone. To finish, end your session on the head unit before unplugging the cable, then remove the USB from the phone. Make small adjustments like saving frequent destinations and pairing Bluetooth for calls if needed. If Android Auto won't load, first replug the cable, then reboot your phone. Make sure both Android Auto and the head unit firmware are up to date. If problems persist, try a different high-quality cable. Faulty cables cause most connection issues. Then test again while the car is stationary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.